so you're going to take a red and a green of this very flexible dead soft wire to make a candy cane. And all you're going to do is you're going to twist it. And you can use any method of twisting your wire that you want. And you're just going to keep twisting it. Now, you can use a wire twister, a drill, or just your fingers. Now, for now, I'm just using my fingers, so. And you just keep twisting until you got as much twist that you want for this, okay? And then hold it very gently for the areas that need more twisting. Now this is dead soft wire, so it's easier to do that with your hands. Okay, so when you got the twist that you want, you can trim off the ends, but I'm going to do a little more twisting. And trim off the excess. Okay. And then bend for like a candy cane. And there is a candy cane, you see? And then you just trim off the excess that you don't want or need. And if you want to make a bigger one, you can go like that. And then at the ends, you clip them. You clip one and then make a loop, and then you can hang it. So that's how you make a wire candy cane. Okay? You could take silver and red and do the same thing, but this is dead soft wire. It's very flexible and bendable. You can use, like I said, a drill to twist it, but you really don't need to because this stuff is so, look, it's so flexible and soft. You could just hold one end with your tool and then do that. And if you see parts that aren't twisty enough, hold your tool at that area and then start twisting. Okay? And you could just make it more twisty, but look, it's a candy cane. Okay? And then you can turn that into anything you want. An ornament. You can hook a little jump ring between the pieces and then hook a earring fish hook, or just hook the earring fish hook to it, and you got wire earrings. Or, because I love the way this bends, you can make a wreath. And then with the ends, make a little circle, and then we can shape it. And then you kind of make like a bow up top, or like a ribbon by, you know, doing that and then twisting it and then having the ends kind of hang out. Probably neater than I just did it, but you know, I'm going to fix that. But you're going to make like a bow here, and it'll be round, and it'll be like that. Now this is 18 gauge dead soft wire, so you can get thicker gauge. But if you want to make the bow, after you twist it, get your round nose pliers out, untwist these pieces, kind of make everything neat. If you want, you know, curl them and then maybe hang a bead over here to it, and then you've got a wrapped wire wreath. Now, naturally you're going to do it neater. I'm doing it really fast to give you an idea. You can make candy canes, wreaths like that. And if you wanted thicker wire to do that, that's fine, because this is only 18 gauge in the dead soft wire. And if you had a bigger gauge, you can do fancy little like ribbons hanging off of it, and then you can turn it into an earring. So that's just something really quick and easy I wanted to show you. It's nothing really fancy, but it is nice to add. You can even put it on a little gift, you know. And it's just, it's cute, it's easy, and it's fast. Okay, for this we're going to make a wreath. Now you can use the same dead soft wire, okay, and you can thread some beads. Now if you want a bigger version of this, go ahead and use thicker gauge. This is 18 gauge, so you want thicker gauge. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut a piece. You're going to make the loop at the end. All right. Then you're going to thread some beads. So I'm already threading some beads, and the loop is so this doesn't fall out, but I'll come right back once enough of them is threaded. Okay, when you're done, depending on what size, if you want bigger, you can go longer with the beads, or if you want like bigger green beads and bigger gauge wire, whatever, or whatever color combination. Because we're going to turn this into a wreath, so we're going to put that through the loop, the excess, until it meets the end. And then we can shape it. Okay? Then we're going to turn this into a little bow. So, you know, you can use your jewelry working tools, or you can just use your fingers, whatever works for you. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take another piece and you're going to make a bow on there. So you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to kind of put it together like that, loop it that way. All right, and take another piece. You can do it with your fingers. It's probably easier to do it with your jewelry working tools. And then you're going to scrunch however you want to make the bow. That's up to you. So it's not the best bow, but you can make a better one. And then you're going to want to figure out where you want to place it, and then take your remaining and then go ahead and wrap it up top. Okay? Yeah. Of course, you're going to take your time and you're going to do it neater. This isn't the neatest, best job, but you get my drift. You're going to make some kind of a bow up top. Now, you don't have to use wire, but I'm just showing you how to do it with different color dead soft wire. See? You make a little bow. You can have, if you don't want to use that, you can use some yarn up top if it's easier. But that is like a little wreath, and you could hang a little jump ring off the back and then a fish hook, and it's your earring. Or you can make a pendant out of it. Again, this bow isn't the best, but you can take your time and do it neater. I just wanted to give you the idea of what you can do for Christmas stuff. This would make cute earrings. This would make a cute pendant if you want to go bigger, or an ornament if you want to go bigger and with bigger beads. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So those are just some of the quick, easy crafts you can do with wire and not spend too much money, and some beads. Okay? So I hope you like those fast, easy, quick crafts. And if you have any questions, please ask me. Again, I apologize for this pathetic excuse for a bow, but you got the drift. I just wanted you to get the idea. And make a nicer bow. Use yarn if you'd like, little pieces of ribbon or whatever you want to give you that look. Okay? So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click that notification bell for future notifications of when I upload new content. And please check out my jewelry tutorial playlist, because there's a lot of different holiday jewelry tutorials on there that I've done. I've done the snowmen, how to make snowmen earrings and ornaments, and cross pendants and ornaments, and candy cane earrings and ornaments. So go ahead and try that now. So go ahead and check out that playlist now, and maybe check out my other playlist on my channel. So have a happy holiday, and I will see you in my videos. Bye.